Hi everyone, my name is Isaac, the crypto artist, and today I'm gonna do a very quick video to show you where the Game of Loans idea started from. So it's a very simple sketch. I'm gonna explain where I think the idea started from, and after that I'll keep building on it week after week so you see how it has evolved. So enjoy and do let me know what you think. Thank you very much. So here we go. Let's just assume. So you need 100 USD, right? So now you could go to the bank to get this money, but let's assume you're getting this money from a couple of friends. Let's say you have around 5 friends. So let's just say this is you. So we're gonna put you here. This is you, and you need 100 US dollars. So let's say you have 5 friends. I'm just gonna put your friends here. 2, 3, 4, 5. So each of your friends sends you they send you 20 US dollars. So each of them sends you 20, 20, 20, and 20. Right. Let's just do that. So they're sending you $20 each. Now, if they send you this money, and let's say you're gonna keep the money for 30 days and then pay it back. Let's say you're gonna pay back with interest of 10% in 1 month. We are just assuming that. So when you pay back the money, this is you, and you pay back the money, you send it back. You pay back $22, for every friend. So you give them $22, 22 when you're paying back. This is you paying back, and you do $22, 22 to each of your friends. You see, this friend has got the $22, that second friend has got, the third one has got, the fourth one, and the fifth one. So this 22 is for this other guy. So each of our friends gets back $22, so they basically get $2 each, simply because they took the risk to send you some money, if you pay back. That's the reward, that's the benefit they get for sending you some money. This system looks very interesting and very nice because the money doesn't go to the bank, it goes to your friends. So basically, this is how I intend Game of Loans to be. And when you design this system with the current money transfer systems in mind, the problem comes here in the middle here, because the current money transfer systems charge transaction fees. So transaction fees are a very big barrier to this kind of system, which is why I chose blockchain technology to be the system where I build this sort of idea. Now, I'll tell you next weekend why I chose the blockchain system and which particular blockchain I chose. So this idea has evolved since the time I thought about it, and that's what I'm gonna show you over time, so you see where it is at the moment. Because at the core of it, this is the game I'm designing. So the advantages of this system are interesting. First of all, the interest goes back to your peers, or it stays within your community instead of going to big banks and corporations. Instead of it all going to companies and shareholders in big companies, multinationals, the money stays within your local system. The other advantage is that the risk is spread out among your friends. Imagine just one of your friends lent you Imagine just one of your friends lent you the $100. they would face all this risk in case you fail to pay back. But over here, each of your friends loses around $20 instead of losing 100 if they were the only ones lending you the money. The other advantage is that you don't need any security for this loan. It's your friends and they're giving you small amounts of money. So it's actually your friendship at stake. The security is actually your friendship. It's the relationship at stake. The other thing is, one of the advantages is your friends are likely gonna be kind to you. They're not gonna ask you for credit scores and things like that. Technically, there is a credit score, and the credit score is basically, how honest have you been with your friends over the lifespan of the friendship. Now, when it comes to the disadvantages of this system are that you can only borrow very small amounts of money. You know, some of your friends are not gonna be ready to give you lots of money. I'm designing this system with low income earners in mind, so I want to consider those people mainly. The other disadvantage is that if you default, your friends will be very mad at you. Just imagine, this is gonna kill your friendship. So the idea is, you need to try and pay back as soon as possible and make your friends happy. The other disadvantage is it may take a very long time for each of your friends to respond to your loan request in case you need the money very urgently. Yeah, so right now, uh, these are the things I was actually thinking about, and in future episodes, I will show you how I try to go around these problems and how I try to make the system more efficient. So I hope you like the idea. Please click the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you next weekend. Bye bye.